Hey Jason, my name is Lee Turbienik and I spoke with you this morning, and in this video I want to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help you grow your business, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm no foul, just take these tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback on this video at the end of it. So let's just jump right in. The 3 major things I want to touch base on today are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is anything that is written that is on your home page, and Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on your home page. And that's because Google is only a bot and all it can do is read. So if you don't have enough information with these special keywords that we're going to go over here shortly throughout your content, there's no way you'll rank for any of them, nor will you be able to pull the people that are searching for you. So as you can see, we're scrolling down. You do have some content, not a bad looking layout, but you are lacking from the 1,500 words. So I did a quick search for plumber, Lancaster, Ohio, and as we scroll down, you can see that the top guy is this Pipeworks of Ohio. So I wanted to see what kind of content he had. And as we scroll down, you can see he does have some content here. And even what these pictures are saved as is considered content too. So let's see, he doesn't really have much content either, maybe 200 words on his homepage. So if you were to go out and get that 1,500 words, you would easily beat him in that aspect of the ranking process. So now let's go back. I want to break down Google for you. So Google is broke down into 3 sections. This top section is Google Ads, and these companies are paying big money, cost per click, just to be advertised up here. And 9 times out of the 10, people don't really go up here when they're looking for services. They either go to this Google Map Pack section or the organic section. So let's really dig into that. This Google Map Pack section is very important to be in this top 3. Now, as you can see, Roto-Rooter Plumbing is in first place, and how you rank in this section is called a citation. So citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in different directories across the web, like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook has a spot. So I have a tool that I use, it's called WhiteSpark CA, and it's a local citation finder. And I plugged Roto-Rooter Plumbing's information in there, and as you can see, he only has 8 citations to have that #1 spot. But the good part about this is we can go right into a citation source, go grab the powerful ones. Now this will show me the domain authority, and that's how powerful they are. So that we can grab all these, but I would like to go out and get 80 to 100 from various directories, completely beat these guys out by a landslide, and also to get your name out there in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for your service. So that's what a citation is and the ranking for that. Now this bottom section is the organic section, and this has to deal directly with your website. And as you can see, Pipeworks of Ohio is in first place for this. And I want to take you over to another tool I use. It's called Ahrefs. And this I plugged in your website, and this will show me a complete overview of the stats of your website. So it's showing your UR and your DR, which these 2 numbers right here are very important. You want these numbers as high as possible and as close together as possible. So typically would be a 20 and 20 at this moment. And this UR is your overall strength of your URL, and this is the overall strength of your actual backlink profile compared to others in your area. So what ranks you in this section is a backlink. Now a backlink is when one website links to another website via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen them on websites before where there's blue writing. Click on it, it takes you to another website. Well, Google loves those and considers those votes. So the more backlinks you have, the higher you'll rank. And that means that if one website is willing to give you a backlink, they're vouching for your business and willing to send their traffic to you. So Google sees that as a plus. And as you can see, we'll go back, he has 27 websites giving him a total of 1,000 backlinks. Now these aren't created equal either. You want relative backlinks to your niche. So say Pizza Hut were to give you a backlink, it's not going to be as powerful as another plumbing website giving you a backlink. And the ones that transmit power are these do follow links, and you have 10 of them. So that's why your DR number is really low at this point. But you're ranking for 90 keywords and getting about 20 traffic to your website monthly. But we'll get into your keywords in a minute. I want to show you your competition, which was the Pipeworks of Ohio, who's in first. He has a 15 and a 6, so his backlink profile is a little bit stronger than yours at the moment. He has 14, giving him 428. However, they're not created equal, like I said. But the best part about this is we can go into his backlinks see where he's getting all of his backlinks from once it loads, sorry, and go and submit all these for your business. We know it's working for him, so it'll work for you. And that was backlinks, and that's what ranks you there. But I wanted to touch base on your keywords compared to Pipeworks of Ohio's keywords. So you have 90 organic keywords that you're ranking. Now this is going to show me the exact keyword that people are typing each and every month, how many times, and how hard it is to rank for it. So as you can see, you have a lot of Peter's Plumbing, Plumber Logan, Peter Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, Logan, Ohio. That's a 30 searches. Logan Plumbers, 40 searches, but you're in 11th place. Logan Plumbing, Peter's Plumbing, Peter Heating, Peter Plumbing. So a lot of these are your name that they're looking for, which isn't very optimized for people who don't know your company that are looking for, say, a plumber in Logan, Ohio. So let's look at your competition's keywords, because I want to show you this is why it's important to have that 1,500 words. So look at this, Plumbers, Lancaster, Ohio. That's being typed in 400 times a month, and it's got a KD of 1. So that means there's not many people trying to rank for this, and he's in the 6th position. We know we could beat him out. Pipeworks, Lancaster, Ohio, 50. Plumber, Lancaster, Ohio, 40 searches. Plumbing, Lancaster, Ohio, 20. Plumbers in Lancaster, Ohio, 20. And the list can go on. Plumbers in Lancaster, 40. Plumber in Lancaster. These are those general keywords that people are typing in each and every month that say don't know your business and they need a plumber now. So those are what you need, because you can put one of these per every 100 words on your homepage, so you can get about 15 keywords, and look at all the traffic each and every one of these are pulling. So that's all traffic that you're missing out on by not ranking on the first page. So let's touch base on what we spoke about. The first thing was content. You need 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage, so you've seen all the keywords we went over. So whenever somebody types that, Google recognizes it on your site and links it to you. Second thing we talked about was citations, and that's your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. I want to go get 80, 100 for your business, really take you guys to the top and beat out these guys, and also to get your name out there for more people to find you. And the third thing we talked about was backlinks. And backlinks are what rank you in this organic section. You guys need more relevant sites pointing at you to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, John, and I hope you have a great day. And remember, any and all feedback, even a couple sentences, just to let me know that you watched the video and what you thought about it. And I'm here for any questions that you have after. Thanks a lot, John. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.